And the race is on. Power of Destiny from the outside. Pinay Beauty G.I. Jane. Moving up by the rails. Madam Dixie. Down on the inside. Conqueror's Magic. Rushing up. It's she. Perfect. Poker Chip by the rail. Fifth plus is Blue Material. Rushing up is Super Kent by the rail is My Wife Doesn't Know Magalang. And Lady Dancer running at the tail of the field. It's now Pinay Beauty G.I. Jane on the outside. Madam Dixie, it's she. Perfect and Conqueror's Magic as they race the corner. Three runners are now fighting it out for the lead. G.I. Jane in between runners. Pinay Beauty, it's she. Perfect. Madam Dixie down on the inside is Conqueror's Magic as they race the last 200. Pinay Beauty, G.I. Jane on the outside. Pinay Beauty, G.I. Jane on the outside. Power of Destiny, but Pinay Beauty by about 2, and finally Pinay Beauty 2A second, 8A G.I. Jane, Power of Destiny, Magalang 8 comes in 5th, Super Kent, Madam Dixie, and Blue Material.